the night on DLK. Hey, you can hear the banging and clanging of the 3-point hitch arm beating against the tractor as we're bailing up the storm tonight. I'm going to take one more link out of that one chain there on the guides and get the old 565A up and running. Having some overheating issues as we have been all along, so that leads me to the night's topic, I guess, is you know, there's a big part of DLK hay, which is the L, and the L is my wife, and she's a big part of this deal. She's the kind of lady that you call her up and say, I need antifreeze and black pepper, and she don't question it. The only question she has is, what kind of antifreeze do you need and what kind of pepper? And off she goes to town, interrupting whatever she's doing just to help out in a big way like she does. And can't say enough for having a great partner like Liz is. And yeah, probably kill me for saying her name, but that's the way it goes some days. Here's the monitor. You can see it's telling me I gotta get to the right side of the swath and fill that side of the chamber up and have them rollers full. And yeah, we're up here in this old blackened out clover. Try and get it all in its own bales so that we can, I don't know what we're gonna do at it. Maybe pig feed, or I don't know. We know better than straw. It might not even be that good right now. So, but we'll get her somewhere that somebody can use it and grind it up and mix it with some good stuff. And it'll make a turd, as we say. It'll make a turd. So yeah. Of course, tonight we plugged on the first bale, which was always fun, but it is what it is. That drive chain must be stretching out, so when Elle gets here, we'll shut her down and fix up the antifreeze. Taking that idler down, and as you can see, we're getting close to having a full bale here. And now that we got some room on the camera, because I deleted a bunch of stuff, which is still isn't rotten in the life out. They're handy in your pocket, I guess, but not much of a video camera. Being a Celt, I'm a little bit cheap, so more important things to buy with $800 or $900, I guess, like a new radiator for the big John Deere 6310. We got a full bale and we need a little more on the left side of the bale, so we'll fill that up until it tells us we're good. Here's the screaming. Down to only one arrow. Nice to get down to a flat spot anyway, so that we can not have a bale hit us in the ass end when we dump her out. Hit the auto cycle button, the twine arm goes out, feed a little bit of hay, throttle her down, back her up. We were getting a little excited there, she's getting a little warm. So hopefully Elle shows up with the antifreeze and the pepper, because we tried just about every other trick going in the book right now. See that twine arms indicator right about there is telling us she's coming back across the half side of the bale. She'll come down, 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 down. Doing like this. A little louder. Put it back up. And then comes down, and then if you watch that arm, back. there you go. She's kicking that bale out. We're fortunate enough to have a kicker with the baler. Needs support there on the bale. Done with the injectors. Sorry for that. And now we can drive. Just like that. Everything's back and spinning. It's a pretty simple computer, but it does the job. Anyway, may your hay be dry, your bales be big, be safe, and have a great day.